Jingle Garden Tunes.
I like robots, you like stars. Some ride scooters, some drive cars. She loves painting sky so blue. He builds castles with some glue. I can be me, and you can be you. Shine like the sun or dance in the dew. Short or tall, fast or slow. Be who you are, let your true self show. He wears boots, she wears hats. Some like puzzles, others like cats. Some puzzles, others like cats. We all have dreams, big and bright, and every dream is just right. I can be me, and you can be you. Wear purple shoes or sparkly blue. Sing real loud or draw a tree. It's all okay, you just being me. Let's clap our hands and stomp our feet. March to our own silly beat. 1, 2, 3, let's shout with glee. It's super cool to be just me. I can be me, and you can be you. Fly with your cape or paddle your canoe. Every kid is bright and free. So sing it loud, I can be me.
Thanks for watching. Please like,